Welcome to day 5. Today, we need to talk about the elephant in the room. We need to talk about the brutal truth that is driving you crazy, why your videos are sitting at 0 or 1 view. You record. You edit. You upload. You check your analytics an hour later, and it's a flat line. 0 views. No comments. Total silence. It makes your chest feel heavy, right? It makes you want to close your laptop, delete YouTube, and never look at it again. If you are feeling that pain right now, I want you to take a deep breath. Because you are not failing, you are just fighting a system that doesn't know you exist yet. Today, we are going to look at the real reason why YouTube ignores new channels, and how we are going to beat it together. Let's dive in. Here is what nobody tells beginners when they start a YouTube channel. When you have 0 subscribers and your channel is brand new, YouTube's algorithm is like a security guard at a massive gate. When you upload a video, the algorithm doesn't hate you. It simply does not know who to show your video to. Think of it like a new shop opening in a massive, dark desert. If there are no signs pointing to the shop, and nobody knows it's there, cars won't stop. YouTube tests your video with a tiny group of people, maybe 5 or 10 people. If those people click away in the first 10 seconds because the hook is weak, or because the title is confusing, the algorithm says, okay, nobody likes this, and stops showing it. That is why your views stay at 0. It's not because your voice is bad. It's because your packaging, your title and thumbnail, and your first 10 seconds aren't giving the algorithm a clear signal. Let's pause right here, just between you and me. Be completely honest. How many times today did you open YouTube Studio to check your views, only to feel disappointed? Drop your answer in the comments right now. Let's talk about it. When you share that frustration, you realize you are not alone. Thousands of creators right here in India and all over the world are sitting at 0 views right now. We are all in the exact same boat. But we are not going to stay here. So, how do we force the algorithm to wake up and start pushing our videos? We change our strategy right now with 3 simple rules. 1. Stop obsessing over daily views. If you check your analytics 10 times a day, you will burn out within a week. Upload your video, close the app, and walk away. Your only job is creation, not viewing. 2. Focus 80% of your energy on the title and hook. People don't click on your video because of your editing, they click because the title promises an answer to a burning problem. Make your title simple, clear, and emotional. 3. Consistency is the algorithm's wake-up call. When you upload daily for 60 days, you are giving the algorithm 60 different data points. Eventually, one video catches fire, and when it does, it pulls all your older videos up with it. Day 5 is officially locked in. We didn't quit, and we aren't letting 0 views stop us. If you are standing with me on this 60-day challenge, hit that subscribe button right now, drop your thoughts in the comments below, and I will see you tomorrow for day 6. Keep pushing forward.